Hey guys, it's Johan from Sabot Videos, and it has been a very long time since our last video. As such, we've decided to come back right where we left off with the Canadian Forces Base Borden Military Museum's Italian M1441. We're here today at the Ontario Regiment Museum's Aquino Tank Weekend for 2021, and we're going to take this thing for a spin on the parade ground. You guys are going to join us as a member of the crew, and I've got Dave Thompson from the Flakpanzer Restoration Project with me today. He's going to be the driver, and he's going to show you guys how this thing operates. So Dave, there are some things different with our tank compared to a fully original one. Would you mind telling the audience about it?
Yeah, sure. So it was out on loan out west to Wainwright for quite a few years, and while it was out there, unbeknownst to us, they had replaced the engine, the original engine and transmission out of it. So right now what we have in it is a GM diesel V8, MLVW engine and transmission. So a lot more power to it, where the original engine was only 145 horsepower, but it was a diesel V8 diesel engine as well.
Excellent. Well, time to crawl into the vehicle. See you guys inside.
So okay, we got a standard SMP dash in here, so we'll turn the power on and we'll start it with the red button. We're going to turn the fan on. Put it in gear. Is it good?
We're at the staging area now. All we've got to do next is wait for a turn to get onto the arena. And that was our entrance to the tank arena. Dave's just going to get off now and do a quick talk on our tank for the crowd. Dave's done his talk now, so once he gets back in, we're going to do one more loop and get back to our display.
Lap again so that everybody around the arena can. Then we're going to pull on some of our museum vehicles. All of these vehicles
Dave?
Awesome. It's always awesome when you can drive a tank. Even one that was built in 1941. Who gets to do that?
Only us. And everyone else who wants to volunteer, right, Dave?
Pretty much.